Welcome to Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. So, had to restart this because I struggled getting this package open. So, I figured I'd put it on without, I didn't know how much more trouble. So, anyway, this is the Cognac. I think I'm saying that right. Lemon Collagen Essence Mask. Only one complaint. They feel good. They make your skin soft. But the eye holes are very small. So it's like the serum wants to kind of like leak into your eyes, which I don't think that's good. This one is glowing and moisturizing, and you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And when you remove the mask, you rub the serum in, wait a few minutes, and then rinse with cool water. All right, so today we're gonna do the Ink Goddess Creations unboxing. This is a subscription service. For me, for this box, it is $35 a month. The money comes out the 1st, and you usually have your box by the 10th. There were some mail delays because of some weather, so I got it on the 12th. This is what she's looking like. I'm sure that's fake. Okay, so I'm going to set this here. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Turn the light back on. I'm going to be returning that light. Alright. Probably should get my glasses. Let me pause this. Okay. Kind of getting over a little bit of a cold. Anyway, otherwise my health is doing much better. Things are getting back on track. So, the first thing is called the Money Bowl Kit. So this kit gives you all the main components to create a money bowl. So you get a coconut bowl, represents abundance across many cultures, making this a perfect vessel to create your money bowl. Green rice. Green rice is used to attract steady abundance and is a great filler for your money bowl. Movie prop money. The extremely realistic $100 bill can be laid in the bottom of your money bowl or rolled and inserted into the rice, drawing money energy to you. The Money Agate Gemstone. Wasn't that pretty? Is a stone of financial success and prosperous new opportunities. Placing one in your money bowl helps attract these energies to you. Chinese coins, traditionally added to money bowls to attract wealth and luck. All right, so there's that. Alright, so then we got the Rich Witch Ritual Mini Book of Shadows page. This spell turns the contents of your box into a Rich Witch ritual to say that fast 3 times. To create a money bowl and invite abundance into your life. So there's the page. Rich Witch Oil, a blend of chamomile, honeysuckle, and clove. Use it to dot on the corners of your prop money, real money, debit card, or where to attract prosperity to you. So it comes like that. I love how they come in the Ziploc bags and are sealed. So even if that lid would come undone, it doesn't leak throughout your entire box. Then you got the Rich Witch Soap, a blend of citrus, basil, citrus and basil to cleanse away stagnant vibes and invite abundance flow to you. Use in a ritual bath before money spells or job interviews, or wash your hands with it before creating your money bowl. Rich Witch Votive, a blend of cinnamon, clove, honeysuckle, and chamomile to amplify your money drawing intentions and create an open pathway for abundance to flow to you. This is the reversible money sage bundle. Alright, so it comes like this. It's taped. Like, really taped. There we go. ASMR. Asthma. Alright, so. Reversible money sage bundle. Light the black end as you cleanse away stagnant energy or old money stories. Then flip it over and light the green end to open the pathway to abundance. So that's cool. And then we got the expansion pack for the Eclectic Witch deck. 2 cards on Money Agate and Coconut to add to your Eclectic Witch card deck. So that's the Money Agate one. And this one is the Coconut. So that's it. So we got the cards, the Sage Bundle, the soap, Rich Witch Oil, Rich Witch Candle, all the makings of a money bowl. The money, that's fake by the way, the rice, the agate, the coins, and the coconut bowl. So, like I said, it is a subscription. Ink Goddess Creations is what it's called. And you can find them at www.inkgoddesscreations.com. Not sponsored, but it should be. Anyway, that was our unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave this mask on for a little while because my skin's feeling really dry. This is a collab. There will be a playlist down below. Go see what the other girls are doing. Happy Monday, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.